Hello, I am Dr. Manish Singhal, Medical Oncologist, Apollo Hospitals, New Delhi and Noida. Question is, my friend also had a breast cancer, but her treatment was very different from mine. Why? This is a very frequent question which is asked by patients when I meet them, that their friend has had a different treatment altogether. Well, it is the simple answer to this question is that breast cancer has many subtypes. There's no one subtype of breast cancer, but simply put, there are 5 subtypes of breast cancer, and which can be luminal A, luminal B, HER2 positive, HR positive, HER2 positive, and triple negative. So all these breast cancers have different treatments and different outcomes. For example, a HER2 positive breast cancer will get a targeted therapy which is quite costly along with chemotherapy. Surgery and radiotherapy remains as it is, and they may or may not receive hormonal therapy. Triple negative breast cancers do not have hormone receptors on the cell surface. So these patients will not get hormone therapy, which is a tablet to be taken for 5 years. However, they will definitely need chemotherapy. There are certain breast cancers which are ERPR very strongly positive and very low grade and very slow tumors. Such patients will not require chemotherapy and can be done with surgery and hormone therapy alone. So there are various subtypes of breast cancer, and the treatment of breast cancer depends on these very subtypes. So one should not compare one's treatment with another patient's treatment, because your breast cancer is maybe very different from the breast cancer that your friend had. So it's not a good idea to compare treatments. Not only this, you should not compare your treatment with one cancer patient to another cancer patient, because the cancer treatment can vary from the system which gets a cancer. That is, a breast cancer treatment is not same as stomach cancer treatment or lung cancer treatment, and one breast cancer treatment cannot be similar as to another breast cancer treatment. The stage may differ, the subtype may differ, and your health condition may differ. So you are a different person, your cancer is a different disease. So do not compare your treatment with anybody else.